Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Thursday, the 28th of March. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Before we get started, just a quick announcement. Just remember that tomorrow will be our last daily call. We're taking a short break. We'll be back on Wednesday, the 24th of April. So just keep that in mind. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in the markets. The major news came from New Zealand yesterday, where we saw the RBNZ keep rates unchanged at 1.75%. This was a decision that was widely anticipated, but then the question is, why did the Kiwi US dollar dump so much? It fell around about 100 pips in minutes within the news release. Well, it was the statement itself, which was much more dovish than expected and in fact hinted more towards the next move being a rate cut rather than a rate hike. Hence, investors reacted accordingly, and the Kiwi US dollar is now trading at 67.95. That was pretty much all the major data from yesterday's session. So let's jump into our chart of the day. Incidentally, before I show you the chart, our GBP AUD from Friday had already hit first target. It's gone on to hit the second target overnight, so that trades hit full first, both targets completed. Also, the Euro Swiss that we looked at earlier in the week, it's pretty close to setting up, so go back and have a look at that one. I'm not going to show you that one this morning because I found us another chart to keep in our hot list, but just make sure that you do go back and have a quick look at that. This morning we have a Kiwi US dollar, and there's that big red candle from yesterday. Kiwi dollar dumped around about 100 odd pips within minutes after that news release, but what it's done is it's put this support line back into play. I started to look at it when we were around about here, then the market went away, but we've come back to it again now, and incidentally, we've had previously 1, 2, 3 touches, and we're there at a fourth time. So naturally, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a nice price action reversal pattern to occur here at the hot zone. So for example, if today's candle is an inside candle to yesterday's, well then that would set it all up, and then we can possibly take a trade tomorrow morning. So make sure that you are on top of this one. It's a Kiwi US on a daily. We are very, very close to trigger. Just need to confirm that price action reversal at the support line, which we are at the moment. Okay, what is happening in the session which is about to kick off? We have at 11 o'clock this morning from New Zealand, we have the ANZ business confidence numbers are due, and then the only other solitary bit of data for the session comes at 11:30 tonight from the US, and that's the final GDP for the quarter figures which are due. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.